welcome guys. Today I'm going to be showing you a great gift idea for Father's Day, and it's going to be a gift in a pop can. Creative Corner, I am Claudette. Well, I enjoy making projects using inks, stamps, papers, and a whole lot of embellishment as well as mixed media. If you enjoy that kind of stuff, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon, so you can be notified when I have new videos. So we're gonna be creating that awesome gift for Father's Day. So it's a gift within a can that pops open. So I think it's pretty cool, and we're gonna stuff it with items that I got from the dollar store. So let's go ahead and turn the camera down and get started. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need to do this project is you're gonna need a can. You could use any size can. It depends on the gifts or candies, whatever you want to place inside the can. But you want to make sure the bottom of the can has this little lip here on the edging, okay? So, and then you have the pop up here. So you could use whatever size can you want. It all depends on what you want to put inside the can. So you don't want to get a can like this which don't have that edging around, okay? It's kind of connected to it. It don't have that lip. You see the difference? So that's the can you want to look for. So you could, I got these all from the dollar store, guys. So it had all sorts of goodie at the dollar store. So I chose different little gifts that I could put inside there. We'll see what would fit. You know, with these you'll have to take them out of the packaging, of course. And you want a can opener, and this can opener does not leave those sharp edges. It gives it a clean cut. I'm gonna list this where I got this down below on Amazon in the description down below, okay? And you're gonna need some form of glue for metal. I'm gonna just use hot glue. And you need just something to decorate your can with. We're gonna use some designer series paper or printed paper, some bows, embellishments, ribbons, blings, whatever. But this is for a guy. We're gonna do. You could do it for any occasion, but we're doing this for Father's Day. Now, before we open our can, what we want, I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper off. So you wanna take this paper off, and that's gonna be your template for the size of your printed paper. So when you're using this can opener, this piece right here is gonna go this way. You're gonna butt it up this way, and then you're gonna twist, and it's gonna start locking. So when you feel it give a little give, then it reached the end. So you're gonna turn it the opposite end to release it, and then they have these bird beak right here. You're gonna take that piece to attach it and lift the lip off. All right, there we have our pork and bean. Okay, so this is a project that we'll be creating today, okay? So it's that can, and then they just pop this lid to get the gift that's inside. So let's get started. So after your can is all washed and clean, so this is the bottom here of the can. So you also want to make sure that there's no shavings or anything, and usually it's come out with clean edges, but I would always double check that you don't have any shavings or anything that would stick anyone. You know, just be precaution, especially if you're going to have any kids helping you with this project, okay? So we're going to go ahead and design this. And so you're going to save the paper that came around your can, so you could measure your designer paper that you're going to put around. So you're going to measure it and cut it out. So we're going to get our double-sided tape, and we're going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape. So this is going to be the inner part of the can. So we're going to start this to the back. So then we're going to put some double-sided tape right there. Just using my bone folder, make sure that's sticks down pretty good, so when I pull it off it won't come up. All right, so you could get whatever you want to design your front with. So I went ahead and use whatever stamp set you have. So I'm just gonna curve this a little bit so you could take the shape of the can. And pretty much I'm just demonstrating to you how you could create this gift in a can. So we're gonna get some adhesive. Let me just put some adhesive back down here. And what I'm also going to do, I have a little bit of gold button, or this is copper buttons I should say. I'm just gonna put these down here just for a little added feature. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and design the top of the can, and you're gonna choose a measure. You could take the bottom that you cut off and draw a circle out. All right, cut it a little smaller. Just use your dies if you have those, okay? And I'm just gonna design that. And then we're gonna cut a slit to fit right in there, okay? And I just cut a slit and a template, and I'm just gonna cut it out to that, okay? So and I'm just gonna take a little bit of hot glue. All right, so then I created a tag. Just put a little bit of green on the edges, so it won't be, get a little contrast here, so it won't be too matchy with the top of the lid. We'll add some twine. We'll add a little color here to it. I'm just gonna do this denim ribbon. Add my twine underneath. Just trim those edges. So once you finish designing your can, what you're gonna do is go ahead and stuff it with the gifts that you got. And like I said earlier, the dollar store has some pretty cool gifts. All right, so you're gonna add tissue paper inside to protect your gifts. So when you glue it down, nothing gets on your gifts. So you could use a crystal lacquer, type glue that you could get from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot glue gun. And you also want to get something heavy so you could put right on top of it, so you could add some pressure while it dries. All right, so there you have it. Your gift in one of those pop open cans for Father's Day. So if you like this, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below, and hit the bell icon so you could be notified when I do have new videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave any comments, questions down below. Until next time, this is Claudette. I thank you for tuning in.